How to go live on YouTube, Twitch, and more for free with Streamyard. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am showing you around Streamyard and I will show you how you can go live on YouTube, Twitch, LinkedIn, and more for free with Streamyard. Now, Streamyard is an amazing platform that provides the easiest way to create professional live streams, and you can go ahead and create your amazing live stream like professionals, and you can go live on Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, and other platforms with Streamyard. So let's get started. All you have to do is just add your email address, and then they will send you a verification code. Once you enter your verification code, you will log into your Streamyard. So you can see right here, this is the dashboard for Streamyard. Pretty simple looking. There are two options that are given: broadcast and destinations. So I will show you around that how you can go live on all of these different platforms at once on Streamyard. So what happens is, this is the option for broadcast and this is the option for destinations. Now, destination means different destinations. For example, your YouTube channel or your Facebook page or your Facebook profile or your LinkedIn page, whatever you have, you can add destinations right here. Or you will go to simple broadcast, and after broadcast you will just simply click on create a broadcast. So I will click on create a broadcast. Now I can create a new broadcast, or I can go with use pre-recorded video. Now, use pre-recorded video means that you can go ahead and put up a pre-recorded video, your video that you had recorded, and you can put it up on live, that most of the YouTubers do or bloggers do. They have a pre-recorded video and they put it live on their Instagram or YouTube or LinkedIn or Facebook, and we wonder how are they doing this. Well, this is how they do it, and this is how you can do it too for free. So I'm gonna create a new broadcast. Now, broadcast 2, this is where we have to add a new destination. So I have actually added my Facebook page before. So what's gonna happen is, I will simply click on this plus button and it will allow me to add a new destination. Now, these are different destinations that I can actually add, that are Facebook page, Facebook group, Facebook profile, LinkedIn page, LinkedIn event, LinkedIn profile, YouTube channel, Twitter, Twitch, custom RTMP. Now you can see that I have all of these different options. For example, Facebook page, Facebook group, and Facebook profile. That means that I can go live on Facebook page, Facebook group, or Facebook profile at the same time. Or if I want to go live on just my Facebook page, I will just simply select that. After that, there is a LinkedIn option and YouTube and Twitter and Twitch. If I want to go live on all of these platforms at the same time, I can do that as well. This is amazing, right? So what's gonna happen is, I can just add all of these destinations right here, and after that I can just simply go ahead and go live on any of these platforms that I will add in the destination for. The destination, adding a destination simply means connecting your account to Streamyard. So what's gonna happen is, we have already added our Facebook page, so I'm not gonna do that. Let's add our LinkedIn profile. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, I will simply click on connect LinkedIn. Once I do that, now they will actually ask my login information. So I will just simply sign in on my LinkedIn and I will see you in a minute. So yeah guys, once you will be logged into your LinkedIn or your YouTube or your Facebook, so what will happen is, you will see the option right here, your destination will be added right here. Now, my LinkedIn did not allow me for some reason, I don't know. So what's gonna happen is, I have already added my Facebook page, so we're gonna work with that. Okay, so what happens is that all you have to do is just select your platform where you want to go live on, and what happens is, they ask you, of course, your login info, and after that you have logged in, you just simply connect your Streamyard to your YouTube or your Twitter or your Twitch, and once you do that, it will simply be shown right here. Once you click on broadcast, new broadcast, and it will be shown right here. So let's create a broadcast now. Okay, so I'm gonna select the platform where I want to go live on. Okay, so I have selected Facebook. You can go ahead and select many more, for example Twitch, YouTube, and LinkedIn. All of the process is same. Don't get confused that how it's gonna work on other platforms. It's simple guys, it's all the same. So what's gonna happen is, I'm gonna add a title to my broadcast right here on my page. Let's go with So you can see right here that I have added the title and the description. After that, I will select on schedule for later because I don't want to go live right now. Of course, when you select schedule for later, you can go ahead and add a thumbnail. A thumbnail works same as it works on your YouTube. You will add a thumbnail for your broadcast. Now, I suggest you add a thumbnail that has your guest or featuring you. That will look pretty amazing. Go ahead and create a creative thumbnail for your broadcast. I'm just going with this picture right here. Let's just say that she is my guest. So I'm just going to go ahead and add her image. After that, I'm going to click on apply. Once you do that, your thumbnail will be added. If you want to change the image, you can change from right here. After that, the starting time will be, of course, let's just say 9:30 a.m. tomorrow. That looks good. And I'm going to create a broadcast. Now, after a moment, they will actually schedule my broadcast right here. So you can see right here that now my broadcast has been added. Now I will enter the studio. You will see right here that when I click on enter the studio, I can actually, go ahead and check out that how my studio works and, how I can actually go ahead and check it out. So there you go. You can see right here that this is how the studio actually works. And here you can set up your avatar, you can set up your display name and your mic settings and your camera settings. So now my avatar, I actually added this image of Joey. If I want to, upload another avatar, I can just go ahead and select from any of these and that will be my avatar. Let's just select this image maybe. So what's gonna happen is now I can add this image. So I suggest you actually add your own image as your avatar, of course, and that will be shown right here. You can change your name right here, display name. So I have added the name, the social guide. If you want to add your name, you will simply add your name. After that, enter the studio. Now this is where they will actually show me then how the studio is gonna look the day the live will happen. For example, it's happening tomorrow. This is pretty good, right? I can check out right here, add everything I want to check. For example, if I want to share any screen, I will simply click on share and I can share video file or share my screen of my laptop or mobile phone or PC right here. And after that, I can actually share a video as well. If I want the view to be vertical, I can show that as well. If I want the view to be like this, I will just simply click right here. After that, invite option, I will click right here and I will be able to invite other people as well. Comments option, I will see all of the comments right here. Banners. Now what's going to happen is I can actually create a banner for my live cast if I want to, and I can actually, go ahead and add different banners right here. If I want to add, banners mean that people will be, scrolling down and they will actually, check out these different banners that will be popping up within the session. After that, brand name, if I want to, change the brand name, I can simply go ahead and do that. If I want to change the color, I will simply click right here and I can actually, go ahead and give it a nice color as well. After that, private chat, if I want to have a private chat with any of the member, with any of the guests, I can do that as well. That's pretty insane, guys. And after that, there is a settings option where you go and you can, go ahead and check out all of these different green screen setting, guest setting, audio or camera settings as well. The high definition can actually go to 180p. So that's pretty amazing. And after that, you can check out the guest options right here. If you want to ban any guest, you can go ahead and do that. Play a sound when guest enters. That's pretty interesting. So you can do that as well. So these are different settings that you can do on StreamYard and it makes your live stream amazing. And you can do all of this for free. You can actually avail all of these options for free and it will make your live stream memorable and it will make it amazing and professional. So yeah, guys, this is how you go live on your LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook or Twitch with StreamYard. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.